Included with the presets are custom white balance options. This feature is vital to the editing process, as Lightroom's white balance controls often add more magenta than necessary. I've gone in and added true to film temperature and tint options for you to use with every preset pack. There are appropriate scenarios for each white balance option, and we'll go over them starting with daylight. This setting is perfect for images shot in direct sunlight. The next setting is cloudy, and it's ideal for using on photos that were shot under heavy cloud cover. This is different from open shade, which is better suited for images that were shot in the shade on a bright and sunny day. There's a distinct difference between this and the cloudy setting. The tungsten setting is set to balance out images that were shot in tungsten lighting, which can be really warm. Therefore, this feature cools your image to restore the white balance to neutral. The next two white balance settings are flash and cool white LED. These two are different in their Kelvin temperatures due to flash attempting to mimic daylight temperature, while cool white LED contains a cooler look than flash. That covers the new custom white balance functions. Be sure to choose the option that best reflects your shooting conditions and adjust the balance at the beginning of your editing process rather than later on. This will not only perfect the colors in your images, but make them as accurate as possible.